Wait. Wow. I don't know, take a picture of the fort. Oh, ho, ho.
I found a snake.
Bisa nggak?
Poisonous snake. They're dangerous.
Yeah.
Woo! Hey guys, here is a little itinerary on what to do if you go to Lombok. So I flew from London via Bangkok, super long flight and a super long time to get there. So flew from London, spent 24 hours in Bangkok, then flew to Bali, slept there, and then the next morning went to Lombok. So it took me about 2 days to get there, but it was worth it. Finally here. Only been walking for an hour. So tired, I hate Terminal 2. So you have to take a little plane, propeller plane, that takes like 45 minutes to get to Lombok. But you can also get to Bali if you arrive in Bali super early, which is like not possible with an international flight, I think. Anyway, you can get up super early, go to the port in Bali and take a ferry across to Lombok, which I wouldn't recommend because it always takes more time. That is necessary and I wanted to get there super fast, so I took the flight. Where to stay? So the area to stay is called Kuta Beach in Lombok. This is where all the expats are. This is where the surfer community is, because that's where people go usually to Lombok to surf and join this community of surfers, because the wave and the beach are just super amazing. And then you also have waterfalls to visit, so everything is kind of in the vicinity of Kuta Lombok. But it's ever growing, because when I was there they were like building and it's becoming like a bigger place to go. So in the north of Lombok now they're starting to build other things. So in the north of Kuta, they're starting to build other properties. So maybe in the next year or so, when you have the chance to go there, you will have other area to stay. But at the minute, the main hub of Lombok and what you will find other travelers will be in Kuta. Where to stay? I will recommend staying at Loka Surf Lodge. This is where I stayed. It's really for the gym buff and the health conscious. So the gym has like Muay Thai, surfing, balance classes, all the classes that you can imagine, and the instructor is amazing. All the team is amazing there. They have 6 rooms where you sleep, and included in your stay there's the gym. You pay a small fee to attend the recovery center. And the breakfast is included, super good breakfast, and you can also eat there all day. They have a very good menu. So as I say, you have a full gym with classes every morning, you have a sauna, you have ice bath, 5 degree and 10 degree, if you want to do the Wim Hof challenge and train for your Everest base camp hiking. Only joking. Ice bath are great for recovery, like I love it. It's very hard to get used to it, but it's super good for you. So they have that there. So I guess it's for all the surfers who like need to train hard and then recover from all the suffering, from all being beaten up by the sea, to use the ice bath. And then every Sunday they have like the barbecue that everyone knows about. Everyone goes to Loka for the barbecue on Sunday with this live music, and everyone come together to have a drink and nice food. So definitely stay at I would definitely recommend to stay at Loka if you go to Lombok. So on the first day, I will definitely just settle in, go to my hotel. As I said, I recommend staying at Kuta. Stay in Kuta at Loka, and and then this if you probably arrive like around midday, and then rest, walk around town, and the afternoon don't miss sunset. First best spot to go for sunset is called Bukit Merese. So here we are. Look at it. Beautiful. To tell us where we are. So what is this place?
This place called Bukit Merese in Tanjung Aan Beach. Yeah, this is the best sunset spot.
As you can tell, a lot of people are here. We're not the only one, but look at this. Very nice.
Easy, eh?
Waiting for the light to come down a bit, and then there'll be a super good shot. Day 2, walk around town more and familiarize yourself about how to about transportation. That's very important because everyone drives a scooter there. But I have a tip: if you don't know how to drive a scooter, just walk around there and you can rent a bike. It's a bit strenuous because in Kuta itself there's no beach. So to go to the beach you have to drive like maybe 20-30 minutes on a motorbike or a scooter. So it's very important to have a scooter. But I didn't want to drive a scooter there. So what I did, just go, walk around the street, make friends, and they drive you everywhere because they have also the app called Gojek or Grab, but they don't work. I was trying all day to find a driver, it wasn't working. So just walk around the street, some guy would pick you up in his motorbike. Obviously always ask for an amulet because they don't have them, I don't know why. Doesn't matter. If you want one, you can request one, and then they will drive you, and you can hire someone for the week. And this is what I did actually. Or if you did the guy was annoying me, I'll just get another guy, and they'll just drive you around. So that's what I would do if I was in Lombok, because they drive very fast. The difference between Lombok and Bali in terms of traffic is in Bali you're kind of bumper to bumper. But in Lombok, roads are wide open, so it's super dangerous if it's your first time driving a scooter in Asia. I wouldn't recommend you do that on your own. Get a driver, just walking around the street. So now we are in day 3, where you have familiarized yourself with the place, you went for drinks, you went for food, you met friends. I will go visit the waterfall, obviously, because they are the most beautiful and underrated waterfalls because everyone goes to Bali, of course. But also, sometimes the pictures that you see on Instagram but being in a waterfall in Bali is actually in Lombok, is not in Bali. So the famous one you should go to is called Beneng Stokel and Beneng Kelambu. This very beautiful waterfall. You get there, you book an agency in town that will then drive you there, and then once you get there, you get a local guide. You paid maybe 90,000 rupees. I don't know what the conversion is. I'll put it here. Yeah. 90,000 rupee, and then it takes you have the choice, either a 1 hour hike or a couple of hour hike. We were hesitating between 1 or 2 hours, but we did well to just get like 1 hour because it's very strenuous. They say that it's not difficult, but people, it's hot, it's very humid, you don't have the right shoes. It's just like, no, just take 1 hour. And then we're just there to take picture and relax anyway, so we didn't want like anything physical or too physical, but it was physical. Anyway, I'm rambling. Take the 1 hour tour. It will take you through the path, as you can see in this video. Well, just watch it. Stop listening to it. So now is a half an hour hike to the second waterfall. It's supposed to be super big. So let's go. At least we're going down now, but we have to walk back up. I'm a sweaty mess, but it's worth it. Look at this. Woo! Woo! The waterfall from here. So it's a spot photo, we call it. Let me show you a bit close. That was the mini waterfall. I mean, look at that. Then after the waterfall tour, go watch a sunset. And a good spot to go watch the sunset is another famous spot called Selong Belanak, where people come to relax, have beer. You see the fisherman coming back from fishing, and then they have the catch of the day. And then the best place to actually eat this food is at a restaurant called Fish Bones, where you pick your fish and they just grill it in front of you and serve it with a lot of condiment and things. Super delicious. I totally recommend that. Go to Fish Bone, then go have a cocktail at Barra, make some more friends, and get ready for day 4 to 6, because this is when we are going surfing. On day 4, wake up early to watch a beautiful sunrise at Tanjung Aan Beach, which is also a good space, which is also a good spot for sunset, by the way. and then try to book a surf lesson. So this is what I did. I was trying to actually book a surf lesson into a surf camp, but that doesn't work that way. If you go to a surf camp, you have to be there for the whole time that you're in Lombok, and then you do the lesson with their instructor, which makes total sense. But another person that I would recommend for surf lesson is a local guy called Coco, and his surf school is called Coco Lombok. He's a guy that's been surfing since he's a kid. He grew up right there in Kuta Beach, and he's the first local person to open a surf school. So this is quite a great achievement, and he's a super good guy. All the instructors in his school are very talented and very good instructor, because the problem is in a beach, in a surf village, everyone is a surf teacher, but you want to be taught by the best, especially as a beginner, because it's not easy and it's quite dangerous. So go with Coco. I will link him in the description below. So the beginners, they go to Selong Belanak, the beach that I showed before for sunset. And then you can go to Gili, which is open water surfing. And if you are very advanced, you go to Maui Beach. But I love Maui for sunset and photography. Look at super great picture. These are my best surf picture of the trip. But if you want to go to Maui, I would advise that you are either a super experienced driver or you hire someone to drive you there, because the road is like windy, crevassy. It's like driving a scooter on the moon. So please be careful. I know they are eager to go for the big wave, but safety first, guys.
That's right. I think you've done surfing before, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You're like someone who like surfs there. And then you just slide like a
And finally we get to day 7, when it's time to leave Kuta. But exciting, because we're going to the Gili Islands. So you either, if you want to party, you go to Gili Taragan, Gili Tea, everyone call it. If you are in between and undecided, you go to Gili Air. This is what I did, went to Gili Air. And if you are a couple on a honeymoon, Gili Meno is supposed to be absolutely beautiful. So there we go. So this is the end of my trip to Lombok. I went to Gili Air. Here are the port from Lombok, trying to get to Gili Air. Waiting for the last boat. Will we make it? Will we not make it? Hopefully we make it for sunset, going to Gili Air. So just a little tip here, always go straight to the ticket office, because they always try to sell you a fake ticket saying that the boat is not going, but the boat is always going. So when you arrive here, there's a ticket office over there, as you can see, where this woman in black is going. This is where you get your ticket. It's a blue ticket that will definitely take you to Gili Air. Don't listen to people who are trying to sell you a private boat, saying that you will miss the boat and everything. Is all BS. So just a little travel tip. Oh yeah, this is the top of the mountain. Wow. It's a beautiful mountain. Huh? So here we are, we arrived at Gili. So cute, this room. Little tour. There's a little terrace outside. Bathroom for you. Up. Up. Woohoo! Very nice. The other perspective. over here. Woohoo.
Ini pakai.
Wait.
Wow.
I don't know, take a picture. What the fuck? Oh, ho, ho, ho.
I found a big snake. Snake. Poisonous snake. They're dangerous.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, shit.
Thank you.
So here we are in Gili's. I walk around the whole island this morning and I come back and I notice they have bikes. Waste of my time, but well, it was a good walk. Alright guys, this is Gili Air. You come here for like a day trip or a couple of days after being in Lombok. Super quiet, look at that. So quiet because it's the end of the season, so all the tourists are gone, which is good if you want like a relaxed holiday. This place has live music every night. It's pretty good, pretty chill, and you have some drinks, some happy hours. Called the Cheeky Monkey Bar. All in one place. You have the barbecue there, then they have a spa, you can get massages and stuff, then you have the restaurant up there, then the beach bar, a bit of London in Indonesia, and there we go. Look at that, beautiful. Look at this water, so clear. You can literally snorkel, see fishes, turtles, everything. A bit windy today, but I might jump on the boat later. Unfortunately, I won't be able to take you with me because I don't have a GoPro. But there we go, paradise. All right, I feel so great. I've eaten now, feeling so relaxed, and now I'm just walking around the island. You see, yeah, you can actually. You think there's nothing down the road, but if you walk, this is actually where I had lunch. A little coffee shop, very cute. It's called City Bliss, actually. I got out of there and forgot that I had to take a video. Let me go closer. Alright, mate. Alright. Super good food too. I've eaten the food before I can film it, sorry. But yeah, so I'm inside of the island. Instead of being on the beach side, you can explore more. There's a lot of hidden gems around here. So there we go. Walking, steaming hot, drink coconut, hydrate yourself, and you'll be fine. Look at this. These are durian fruit. Wow, look at this tree. Super. And if you're looking for a haircut during your holiday, this is the place to be. Dealer, you know? You see, this is why you have to explore villages. Otherwise you wouldn't find these things. Life in Gili. So in Gili, everything is done by horse carriages or bicycle. So if you have heavy luggages, you just get one of these guys to help you, and then he will do. Look at this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in Bali in the next video. And if you like this video, please subscribe or give it a like or send to your friends who want to go to Lombok. Don't forget to subscribe actually. Cheers! Bye! The name of the waterfall is... the name of the waterfall.